Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 23 Hawley Street, Unit 2, and this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the 2nd floor in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So that goes out to the front hallway, front common area, and then into the apartment. You can see that it leads into the kitchen area, living rooms to my right, and then bedrooms and bathrooms and kind of laundry areas down to my left. And I'm just going to kind of go around, try to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place too, as well as just letting you know a little bit about some of the furniture stuff that I think could fit. For example, this living room is a pretty good size for a living room. It could be at least a couple sectional couches in here with the table and the entertainment system. Plenty of outlets in this room also, just to get everything hooked up. And it's also really nice to see just the amount of light that you get. So lots of light coming in through here. This room and the other rooms as well for the light. Also, you're going to see that this unit has hardwood floors going throughout the unit, baseboard heating, which is pretty efficient, rather than just having one central radiator. So very nice in there. Thermostats on the wall, hooked up, so easily controllable from inside the unit. And then this is the dining room. There's a little bit of area here that could have a little round table for any kind of dining room or just dining in general. And looks really great. So it's got the 4 burners for the gas stove, as well as the fridge, dual stainless steel sink. We'll take a look at some more appliances down the hall. But overall, very nice kitchen. Love the open window there. It's really, really nice to see. This is bedroom number 1. So this is the one that's closest to the front door, right off of the kitchen / dining room. It's really nice in here. It's a good amount of space compared to what I see in a lot of Worcester apartments. Very, very nice in here. You got the hardwood floors again and the sliding door for the closet, but it leaves a little bit of space also over there. Could kind of be perfect for any kind of dresser that was set up where that door is. So very nice in here. We're just gonna keep going to see the rest of the apartment because the rest of it is through this hallway. Let's take a look at this bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2. You can see the same trend with the other ones are kind of following through here with the baseboards. You also have this closet now, which is posted on this end of the apartment. So it's about that size. Plus there's a little bit of storage up there, blankets, extra stuff. But I would say that this bedroom could fit at least a queen size bed with the desk. It's actually pretty perfect for that, having the bed and the desk set up there, maybe a dresser as well. Over here is the unit 2 bathroom. So this place is fully renovated and they are still going through some of the fresh updates to it. One of those being this mirror here that's going to get installed as part of the vanity mirror setup. So really nice bright lights in there. I don't have everything turned on here and still plenty of light, and it looks really good. The appliances and kind of all the fixtures are in very good order, very good working order. Good amount of space too for a bathroom. Sometimes those are pretty cramped, and nice width to walk around in there. And here's the rear of the unit. So rear of the unit has washer and dryer already installed, perfectly ready to go, ready for your use. But it gets put in this kind of separate little hallway here. It's a good divider between all 3 of the bedrooms, not really sharing too much wall space or anything. Looks pretty great. This is the unit 2 last bedroom. It's almost a master bedroom if you consider it, with the easy access to the laundry and just being at the back of the unit is pretty nice. You can see there's 2 areas. So one over here can have a setup, and then another over here with this closet space to have another setup. Also could have a queen size bed with the desk in here as well. It seems to be what most people go for as far as having the space to put the stuff in their room. So very nice in here too. And once again, if you want to see a full list of all the vacancies that we have, you can go to nexus.wor.com and set up a viewing with a leasing agent today. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester at 23 Hawley Street, Unit 2.